Welcome to your meticulously renovated dream home. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom gem spans 1,866 square feet of carefully crafted living space and not in a flood zone. No detail has been spared in this recent remodel, which included a complete overhaul in 2023. Step inside to discover a residence that has been transformed from the ground up. Enjoy peace of mind with a new roof, new HVAC, new windows, new electric, new plumbing, and new flooring, all executed with precision and backed by proper permits. The interior showcases an updated kitchen and baths, each thoughtfully crafted by an interior designer. This home is not just a house, it's a testament to quality. The 4th bedroom serves as a flexible space/den, complete with its own closet and bathroom. The primary suite boasts double closets, a brand new master shower, and double vanities, a luxurious retreat curated for your comfort. But the features don't end there. Venture outside to discover not just new beautiful landscaping but an additional concrete foundation complete with attached outdoor electric and plumbing, ready for your customization. Whether you envision a multi-generational home with a mother-in-law suite, an extra office space, or your dream outdoor kitchen, the possibilities are endless. Location is key, and this property excels. Nestled just half a block from Lake Maggiore's water views, this home avoids flood insurance requirements. The tranquil street and well-maintained neighborhood, adorned with charming banyan trees, create a serene ambience. Curb appeal is undeniable, and the property sits in an appreciating neighborhood merely 1 mile from Tropicana Field and downtown street. Pete. Imagine being the envy of friends and family, welcoming them to your meticulously designed and thoughtfully renovated haven. Don't miss the opportunity to call this house your